Australian batsman Steve Smith has done it again, century in each innings to set up victory in the first test in the Ashes series. But even with his quick fire, 25 test centuries and 60-plus average, I cannot rate Steve Smith over Brian Lara, no day. All when Smith averaged 70, he can't bat like Brian Lara. Because for me, style and entertainment count in sports. And in terms of elegance, flair, and style, Steve Smith not in the same sentence with Brian Lara. Now, first of all, compared to Lara, Smith is facing some little joke bowlers and generally batting friendly pitches with bigger bats and shorter boundaries. But all of that aside, I'm going to show the folly of the entire value system surrounding Steve Smith and his numbers. Outside of the fact that no one remembers or talks about any of Steve Smith's innings, like how them talk about Lara's 277 in Sydney, or his 153 at Kensington Oval, or his 213 at Savannah Park, or his world records, 375 and 400 not out in Antigua. People don't talk about any particular Steve Smith shot either, like how them talk about Lara's cover drive, or him square cut, or that one-legged whip through square leg. And my closing and clinching question is, Steve Smith at his tenacious and efficient best, scoring an even 100, or Brian Lara at his flamboyant and elegant best, stroking an even 100? Which one of them you going to pay your good money to go watch? Which one you going to watch? Unless, yes, you must understand greatness.